Hi, I'm John Hay, Extension Educator with University of Nebraska Extension.
Selecting a quality installer for an on-farm solar array is important for long-term production and minimal maintenance. This video will walk through the steps and questions to ask as you consider your selection. First, review your home's energy use for the past year and record the monthly and annual totals to share with the installer. Write down the reasons you want solar on your farm. This information will help when visiting with potential installers. Start your conversation with potential installers with some get-to-know-you questions, such as, how many systems like this have you installed? Have you installed any in my area? Have you worked with my utility? How big of a system do I need, and what are considerations for system size? Can you provide a reference? Can I go and see a system that you have installed? And do you connect the system to online monitoring? You should take their answers to explore deeper, seeking to understand the quality of their installations and the experiences of their previous customers. As you look at pictures and go see systems, look for signs of quality installation. Attention to detail is key. Some things to look for include straight lines, uniform gaps, careful wire management, and good conduit. Ground mount should all have wiring covered up or in conduit. Roof mount should have no hanging wires. Make phone calls and visit with people to learn who are the best installers in your area. Call the reference given by the installer. Call your local utility and seek their opinions on solar installers. Solar installers' quotes come in varied formats. Each quote should include a drawing or description of the system, make and model of major equipment including solar panels, inverters, and racking, total cost before subsidies, and estimated annual production of the system including shading losses if there is shade. Spending time meeting with potential installers, getting multiple quotes, visiting previous installations, and talking to references can help you select a solar installer who can do quality installations and provide service after the sale. Solar arrays should last 25 plus years, and that longevity begins with the attention to detail of the original installer.